case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1942 Supreme Court of South Carolina case, State v. Quick, the court delved into the question of whether simply intending to commit a crime suffices for a conviction, or an actual step towards committing the crime is required. Defendant Shuford Quick faced a conviction for manufacturing intoxicating liquor in Marlborough County, South Carolina, after officers discovered 2 stills, distillation equipment, and related items on his property and in his car. However, Quick was not present during the manufacturing process itself and was only found to be in possession of materials. Quick's attorneys argued that there was insufficient evidence for a conviction and requested acquittal, but the motion was denied. Quick was one of 3 individuals arrested after being spotted on a narrow road near the stills, where officers also found 2 fruit jars containing whiskey or wine. The court eventually held that the lower court had erred in convicting Quick for unlawfully manufacturing intoxicating liquor based solely on his intention to do so and possession of sugar, meal, and yeast cakes, which did not constitute an overt act. The court determined that the jury instructions were inaccurate and the charge excessive, ultimately granting Quick a new trial. The judgment was reversed, directing a verdict of not guilty in favor of the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.